Good morning, it is a Sunday and this is my reset routine. I want to start off by cleaning. I did do a little tidy the other day, but I just want to do like the dusting, cleaning my windows kind of thing, change my bed sheets, put my washing away, that kind of cleaning. So not like a deep clean, but yeah. So I'm going to start. Look who's just come in the room. Little Bonnie. Have you guys met her before? I don't know if you have, but this is Bonnie. Hi guys. Yeah, I think I showed her over on Instagram, but not to you guys. Okay, I need your guys' advice on this. So, I'm struggling with my bedside table, like what to do with it. So, do you prefer this? Or, hang on, or this? Guys, I don't know. I feel like I need to put flowers in this and then I can decide. But yeah, this is new. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Look how pretty this is. I wanted a flower vase like this for so long, and I feel like the colours in it match my room quite well, with the yellow and the pink. Do you want to see what else I brought? I'm going to show you what else I brought. I also got this lovely yellow pillow. Look at the frills on it. I'm obsessed. And then a Starbucks cup. Oh my god, I've wanted a studded Starbucks cup for so long. I don't know why. It's just been one of those things. You might have seen like the black studded one, like the matte black, and it was like a really tall one. And I found this one and it's yellow. It matches my room and it's perfect for spring and summer. So I am going to be living on this. And then I also got a fitted sheet. It's like a green colour. And I thought like the yellow and the green looked really nice together. I think that's all I got, but they're all from Primark except for the cup. But it's such a vibe. Why are my eyes like that? They're so red. They've been watering just now. I don't know why. Now I like to put all my plants and that on the windowsill. I just like giving them fresh air. I don't know actually if that's good for them, but it feels like the right thing to do, you know. I'm gonna have to do my research after, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I've opened my windows, get some fresh air in my room as well. That'll be nice. I'm not gonna water my plants though, because I did water them recently. I don't want to drown them, so and I also like to get all my crystals out, put them all together and then light incense. So I'm basically just cleansing my room, I'm cleansing my plants, cleansing all my crystals. Now that I've looked after my room, it's time to look after myself. I need to fix his hair. Guys, my roots are coming through already and I'm not loving it. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's time for hair care, body care, skin care, the lot, the works. I kind of slack on it on the week with exfoliate and everything, so I make sure if I haven't done it in the week, I'll definitely do it on a Sunday. I don't really do much for my hair. I just use Lush shampoo and conditioner, and then I use Forest and Shore hair oil after. I love that. But I really want to do more for my hair. Like I want to buy some hair treatments, like hair masks and stuff, because my hair deserves it. Look at it. It deserves better than this. So yeah, if you know any good hair treatments, please let me know down in the comments. You'll help me a lot. Thank you. So in the shower today, I'm going to be using this Opatra Himalayan body scrub. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. It works wonders. And then I'm going to use this scrub to scrub that into my body. It looks like something you clean with, but that's what this brand is all about, and it is so fun. Like, look them up. This is a pear scrub from Lush. I didn't end up using that. American Cream Conditioner, Daddy-O Shampoo from Lush, Obey Your Body Purifying Gel Peel for my face. This works wonders. Oh my god, I love it. And then I used a shower steamer from Potter and Hair. It's from Etsy, a small brand. this shower gel I use after the scrub. Oh my god, I feel so soft after the shower, guys. I'm so happy. And then once I was out the shower, I used this unicorn fruit body butter from Truly Beauty. And it's rainbow. Look how pretty that is. It smells absolutely insane as well. Oh, I'm obsessed with this product. The only thing I would say is like it's quite thick, so it's hard to spread around unless it's like super warm, you know. But it's so good. And then for my face, if you know me and watched my videos before, I use a simple, excuse me, I use a simple moisturiser and the simple eye gel. So that is some of the things that I do on a Sunday reset, just to reset for the new week coming in. Usually I do go for a walk or like to the gym or anything like that. But I'm being real with you guys. Not every Sunday you want to go out and do this kind of stuff. Not every Sunday or even every day you want to go for a walk or go to the gym or anything like that. Not every day is productive and not every Sunday has to be productive either. I feel like Sunday is the day that everyone chills out. This is why I do all of this on a Sunday, because it's just so relaxing to me personally to clean my room and get all my crystals out and all my plants out. It makes me very happy and it feels like, it makes me feel really fresh. Yeah, I'm being real with you guys. I am not going to the gym before I walk today. I'm feeling amazing. But yeah, that is some of the things that I do in my routine. Sometimes I do a face mask, but if I've done a face mask in the week, then I won't, because my skin's very sensitive and it's getting bad lately. And I don't want to put too many products on it because it's so sensitive and I will break out more. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!